The government has appointed V Anantha Nageswaran as the Chief Economic Advisor 3 days before the onset of the budget session of Parliament. On Friday, Nageswaran assumed charge of the position, which had been vacant since early December 2021 after the previous CEA Krishnamurthy Subramanian returned to academia at the end of his 3-year stint. The CEA is usually responsible for drafting the economic survey presented a day before the budget. A part-time member of the Economic Advisory Council to the Prime Minister between 2019 and 2021, the new CEA holds a postgraduate diploma in management from the Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad, and a doctoral degree in finance from the University of Massachusetts for his work on the empirical behavior of exchange rates.